In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or display items in the Stage Manager on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in your menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select Desktop and Dock. And then on the right side, if you scroll down, where it says Desktop and Stage Manager versus Show Items, you can show in Stage Manager by check marking inside that box. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.